happening? What's happening, guys? Welcome to another episode of Straight TV, baby. Guys, what's happening to the markets? We are like, crawling around the all-time highs. Bitcoin is teasing us. Man, do something, if you're gonna pass the all-time high, pass it or go down, man. Do something. So, yeah, we are just waiting in the limbo. Are we going up to $70,000 and then getting a pullback? Or are we getting a pullback right now? What's happening? So, yeah, that's Bitcoin right now. But, in the news today was Bitcoin ETF, right? It's called B2 in the United States. This is the first Bitcoin ETF. It's futures ETF. It's not the real ETF deal, but it's an ETF. What's good, Straight TV, baby? Strata. What's happening, brother? What's happening? So yeah, man. So I'm just waiting, trying to gauge what's happening right now. And looks like this is the big resistance level that if we pass this, if nothing happens at the all-time high, right here, hold on, this is where the all-time high is. If nothing happens here, you can see we are very close, almost kissing it, but not touching it, man. It's ridiculous. So the next resistance is at $70,000, right? So from 70, we can come back to touch back the all-time high. And looks like Bitcoin's not giving us that perfect, it might just tease you and go back, and we might get a nice big 40% chunky pullback once we reach somewhere around $90,000 or $100,000, and then come back to all the way to the all-time high, right? So let's see what happens, right? But it's holding back the whole market here. It's very indecisive. I mean, the market makers, they know what they're going to do, but they are looking right now at this point. They're looking how many people are longing it and how many people are shorting it. So the next move will be decided on how many people are long and how many people are short on Bitcoin. So if there are more short people, then we are going to pass. And if there are more people long, then we'll get a pullback. Regardless, we are prepared for everything, right? How are you guys? Guys, wherever you are on this beautiful planet, my name is Shrey, and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. So, there are several things that I want to look at, not just Bitcoin. I want to take advantage of this thing called Metaverse, right? Like gaming is big, like NFT gaming is, huge. Like they're building these metaverses where they have this play to earn, where they have incorporated NFTs, then they have shopping, etc., etc., etc. Right? So there are a lot of people. There are kids in Philippines making $30 to $50 a day playing Xe Infinity. There are some kids who have become multimillionaires who've been playing Xe Infinity, and by just storing that token, and the token went up. So I'm trying to find a next Xe Infinity, right? What it could be, right? Because I expect in this bull run, like for example, every first cycle of a crypto, it goes very fast and parabolic, and usually cryptos release right before the bull run, right? So somewhere around, for example, May or June, there must be cryptos that got released, and they're going through their bear cycle, but after that they're going to jump, and when they jump really high and very fast, right? So I'm trying to catch some of these projects and find a nice low cap gem. And I was looking at KuCoin. on KuCoin, I found if you go on KuCoin and you click, metaverse here, you're able to find these metaverse cryptos. And I just know about Sand. I know about Mana, right? I haven't heard about anything else. I've heard about SLP, right? Obviously, Engine is huge, one of the oldest, right? But um, Block, this is new. I did some research on it. It's called Blocktopia, right? So I'm trying to figure out what that is. It seems like there is no market cap on CoinGecko, and I was able to find, I think somewhere I was able to find market cap. I think on Coin Market Cap I was able to find, and it looks like around 98 million market cap. For let's look at the chart of Blocktopia, right, and see where we are. So here's, looks like it just got released on KuCoin, and on here you're able to see the chart of Blocktopia, and it looks like it's just released, guys. It's been like 30 days. Yeah, less than 30 days. This is a game that got released. Let's look at one of those videos. Blocktopia. What is Blocktopia? Yeah, just let's look at the home of crypto. Let's see what this is. Gavin Uber, how are you, brother? Did you buy any Beto? I saw it on Robinhood. No, not yet, brother. I would directly buy my Bitcoin, man. Why would I need that? It's one of the biggest ETF launches, so
Hello everyone, this is Paddy.
I don't like to buy something right away.
Total spawn outside of Blocktopia, that's already been seen in our trailer.
See.
This is now the entrance into our metaverse. So immediately straight ahead you can see a map that you'll be able to walk up to and interact.
I'm trying to figure this out, what this is.
And allow you to view other floors and get a really good picture of where to navigate to.
It looks pretty cool.
Here we see an advertising totem. So major global brands outside of the world of crypto will be able to advertise here. Each of our virtual stores on level 1 have major crypto brands as tenants. So you'll be able to enter any of these stores and have immersive brand experiences. You can see Block Party here. So this is our free to spin game, which gives anyone a daily chance to win some block.
Yeah, the graphics look
crucial within Blocktopia.
Beautiful, man.
And to the left, you can also see our Lamborghini. So every day, people will also get an opportunity to enter the prize draw for a Lamborghini.
Oh, Lamborghini for a price.
A real Lamborghini to
kids would love this.
It's worth remembering there'll be 21 floors within Blocktopia. We're just looking at level 1 here, which includes Jake Paul's store. So there'll be merchandise, NFT sales there. It's a really good example of the fact that brands or people that aren't strictly known for being just in the crypto space.
Jake Paul is associated with it.
Drive revenue within Blocktopia. The team have done a great job. This is all in-game footage. This is BitBoy's shop here. If we scroll up and have a little look up here, we can see some highlights for the auditorium agenda. The auditorium will be up on the 6th floor, so lots of key talks.
This looks good.
Place there.
Let's look at the chart.
Will be the native
but you can look at it further. But let's look at Blocktopia chart. So there's not much history here, but let's look 4 hourly, and it'll tell us a little more about it. So what percentage up we've been from here? Oh, that's not much. That's just 300% move. So not bad at all. So think we can still get into it if we want, right? Yeah, let's see. I mean, it's just all the cryptos are stuck into this pattern, right? It looks like just got released on 8th of October and went up 300%. It's consolidating. So I don't know much about this project, but it looks pretty cool. Looks like Jake Paul is associated with this, BitBoy. Yeah, and it's on KuCoin, right? So yeah, never know, right? Um, let's look at SLP. What is SLP? Uh, SLP. Yeah, so this is the easiest way to find the metaverse tokens like gaming tokens, which are on KuCoin. There are so many cryptos which you can find on Coinbase or Kraken or Binance US if you are a United States citizen. So it's very easy to open a KuCoin account and get these cryptos early. So that's what I was thinking. I was going to research all these tokens and find a couple of best of them and put some small amount of money in it and see where it goes. Something like XC can come out of it, then it's good, right? Never know, man. You have to hedge your bets. Like if I find like 3 or 4 good projects, I would distribute equal amount of money and see if something sticks, right? And yeah, these are the kind of plays that I do. Like with 10% of my portfolio, I would go and play with something like this. If something like NFT comes along, I'm sorry, XC, it'll be crazy. Engine had a very good run last time, and it was phenomenal, right? Even in this cycle, nobody's talking about Engine right now. What is Engine doing? There was a lot of hype about Engine, and again, it's a gaming crypto, I think, Engine, right? So let's look at Engine. Every influencer was talking about Engine. But now nobody's talking about Engine. It's funny how it works. Crypto things change so quickly, man, so quickly. Six, like a day feels like a week. A week feels like a day. Sorry. Where was I? Engine. Right. So let's look at Engine. Looks like we are in a nice channel kind of thing. It stayed for very long in this channel, right? Consolidated. So I believe something like this is going to happen up here. What happened here? So we went up and then we always stayed underneath this line and then we had a breakout. So something like that can happen here in Engine. This looks like a small fractal of the whole thing. Right, so we could do something like this. Just break out from here and go to another level, right? Because this is a lot of consolidation here and the price didn't go up much, right? So yeah, this looks bullish to me. Let's look. How much it went? Came back on 786. So can we come back again there? Yeah, possibly we can. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey. If you like the content, hit the like button. We are stuck. We looked at Bitcoin charts. There's nothing to look. We are lingering around the all-time high and don't know when Are we going to break up to 70,000 or come back to 58? Time will tell. So, but meanwhile, all the cryptos, all the altcoins are stuck in this range, right? This is the range. Every altcoin is stuck. So I'll be, positive once we break this. Until then, there's always a fear of us going down and hitting this 786 again. Maybe create another lower low to this level. So that's what I'm waiting for. Uh, we'll have to watch, right? Because this pattern doesn't look complete. Usually, when the pattern completes is with like this. Parabolic rise, up, and try to go up and down. And then we get a breakout and, massive upside. So, like here, we have finished until this part, and we are somewhere here, I feel. Like we've gone up, parabolic, up, down, right here, create another one up, and then go down, right? And then we can start going up. That's what I'm waiting for, this move for it to come down. Then it'll make it complete. Once that is done, that's bull run, man. I think there's one more last shakeout left. I'm just drawing this stuff, man. I don't know if it's going to 56, but let's chart engine properly, right? So yeah, it's possible we may come back to test 786, even a little lower than 786, right? It's possible we can go to 70 cents from here. We are $1.58. Yeah, I don't want to be an a-hole to engine holders, but yeah, everything is possible in crypto, so I'm just mentally prepared. But it looks like, this doesn't look like it wants to go up, man. It looks like we are going down. Look at the RSI. This RSI looks like it wants to go down too. Look. Right. Can you see it? Yeah. So not very bullish right now for the alts. So if you feel negative, guys, I'm sorry, but I don't have a good feeling about altcoins. I'm looking at the Bitcoin dominance, and it feels like it's going to shoot up to 56. If that happens, man, this will come down. But yeah, how far engine can go? Nobody's talking about engine. Everyone has forgotten about engine. So I like coins which are forgotten. Nobody's talking about it. And then you go slide in slowly into that coin and sit there and wait. And then it pulls up a parabola. Right? So what is the market cap of engine? $1.4 billion. So it's big. It's big. So I don't know, man. What kind of gains can give? 1.4 billion. Yeah, it can 10x. Let's look. Let's look at weekly. This looks like Litecoin to me, man. This looks like Litecoin. Wow. What are your thoughts on BCH lately? They're the same. I love my BCH, man. It'll surprise everyone. Just have to be patient with it, man. It's BCH. So, wow, man. Kidding me? This can be a good play. Engine. From this point, wow. I feel at some point we'll come and touch this resistant line. See, this looks like Litecoin. Where's Litecoin? I want to show you. There's Litecoin. Come on. I'll change this to Litecoin. If you look this part, just this cycle, it looks like Litecoin, right? And look what we did here. Right. Yeah, it's possible. Say Jan. Yeah, man. It's possible. At least 20x. 20x for engine. Yeah, it looks really cool. We are in this sort of channel right now. Right, once we break out of this channel, that's it. Game over. Let's see where the 786 is. Fib. Yeah, 7861. We come down here and then go up. Yeah, once we break out of this channel, guys, it's hallelujah. Hallelujah. Let's go to 70 bucks, man. Yeah. What's the other resistance? Let's see. This is another big resistance. Right. Let's be conservative and just put it here. Right, make this a big resistance. That's still pulling 20x. Yeah, man. Looks very good. The super parabolic, man. Yeah. The gaming hype is huge, and Engine is a gaming coin, right? It's OG. Engine is the OG gaming coin. So never know. Donovic, there he is. The myth, the legend. How are you, Donovic? Yeah, man. So I'm looking at cryptos, trying to find an XE, XE Infinity. If I do research by myself or do it with you, right? So Engine is one of the oldest gaming coin, right? And no one's talking about it. I was looking at it. I was looking at this KuCoin charts. If you go on KuCoin, even if you don't have an account, just go on it, and if you click on Metaverse here, you'll find all the gaming cryptos which have a metaverse, and Engine is one of the oldest gaming coin. So man, why is this thing dancing with my music? Okay, so yeah, Engine looks like a 20x. I would consider it a low cap, a mid cap, higher mid cap. So, once we break out of this channel, $25, $30, by Jan. Yeah, $20, $30 by Jan, Feb. Looks given. And, no one can tell how far we can go. But the next resistance level that I'm looking at, it's coming to $85, $90 for Engine. $85, $90. Yeah, man. It's possible. We are at $1.58. That's like 50x. That's crazy. Crazy. 50x. So, market cap of almost 50-60 billion dollars for Engine. You never know. Never know. Right. Chart looks very bullish. Nothing happened until December 2021. The price was depressed. So this was the first boom that we got, and then we came back. So the price, in all these years from the all-time high, it came up only 960%. So 10x. Well, it's not that much. I don't, but something to look for, right? I'll have to look Engine Twitter. I was looking at Blocktopia before, and here, let's look at the Twitter. Blocktopia. So almost 109,000 followers of this game, Blocktopia. And look, win a Lamborghini. So this is play to earn crypto, which just got released on KuCoin recently. Again, a gaming crypto. And the metaverse looks beautiful, man. I like it. I like the way it looks. Looks like they have collaboration with Jake Paul, BitBoy Crypto, KuCoin, Avalanche, all these, influencers and crypto projects have invested. Even KuCoin looks like an investor in this. So it's not a small thing, Blocktopia. And yeah, so I may put some money, very little. I don't know. I don't know what previous investors, if BitBoy is in it, that dude must have bought a lot of crypto, right? And I don't want him to dump on me. So I'll wait and see. Put just a little bit and see what happens, right? Never know. Blocktopia looks good. Yeah, man. Donovic, this looks really good, right? I looked at the YouTube video for Blocktopia, and look, this looks good.
So
Like the way it is.
the auditor image, this is all in-game footage.
Look at that. Looks professional. I would play something like this. It looks like you're in a movie. Like what that movie was Tron movie, right? It looks like that. Looks like it's done professionally, and they have these advertising banners, real estate that you can buy in there. I would buy one of these signs, you know. So not just the gaming project, they must have NFT places. So they have these stores, retail stores, where you have a Jake Paul store, you have a KuCoin store. You can go in the store and shop. So this is pretty cool, and me and Donovan could be in there playing the game, right? Uh, yeah, this looks good. I like it. So I may put just a little money in it. Let's see what happens. Guys, nothing on this channel is a financial advice. We are exploring the space together, learn from each other, right? It's better to do things together, right? It's more fun. So, yeah. But that's Blocktopia. Let's look at something else. SLP. What is SLP? I saw that SLP Smooth Love Potion. I like the name. I like the name. So market cap is 142 million. Let's look. When did it launch? Oh man, it's been going down like crazy. Wow, this could be a good buy, dude. SLP. Wow, looks like it has bottomed out. Let's look. Interesting, interesting. Like a little kid in a candy store. Okay, this is the full cycle. Okay, what am I looking here then? 180-day cycle. Oh, I was looking 180 days. So, yeah, we've gone up. Oh man, it's been a roller coaster ride. Roller coaster for these people. When did it release? Oh wow, look at that. It released in April. So a lot of pump and dump. Looks like an oscillator. It keeps going up and down, up and down. But when the coins are new, guys, they do that before a huge jump. Like, let me show you something similar. This looks like Digibyte. This looks exactly like Digibyte. What Digibyte did uh, when Digibyte was new. Let me show you. And what happened to Digibyte? Right there. Like, look at Digibyte. Right. What did it do? All this time. Right. Look at this cycle. Don't you think it looks similar to SLP? Look at this. Up and down, up and down. Now let's look at this. Right. Looks very, very similar. Right. Let's look at SLP chart. Smooth Love Potion. I just like the name, man. The name is so cool. So So it's creating this arc. See this? That's why I like to love to chart, because you're able to see, find similar cycles. You see, looks identical to Digibyte, man. Look, and it's going to. Wow! Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Look at this, guys. You see it? I'm getting into it. SLP. Yeah, man. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. I'm getting into this. SLP. Yeah. This is Digibyte. Look at it. How much you go up? 30,000%. It went up straight like a rocket. Like a freaking rocket. Wow. Yeah, I want to get into this rocket. Right now, I'll buy. Yeah, man. This looks like it has not gone up at all. It's still here at these levels. Right. Fantastic. Perfect, man. Looks like bottomed out. It can just go a little bit lower. Maybe at all. Let's see. Yeah, look. See? This looks like bottomed out. Yeah, man. SLP. SLP it is then. In early stages, you would probably get extremely high conversion rates for cheap prices when putting up commercial in the game. Yeah, man. Uh, so many people talk about SLP. It's available on Binance. I will get some. It's available on KuCoin too. Yeah, I will get into SLP tonight. Actually, tonight. Yeah, man. I think I like the fact that it's a metaverse token. The chart looks really good. I don't know anything about SLP, but the chart looks really good. Let's look at SLP. What is it called? Slow motion? What? Smooth love potion. Okay. Smooth love potion. Man, I want to see how it looks. I want to see the metaverse. Smooth love. Let's look at the Twitter. How many followers are there on Twitter? Yeah, 100,000 people. I want to see the game. Who's behind it? Here to stay. Man, this looks good regardless. This looks good. And looks like it has bottomed out. I want to get into this. Read. It's not its own game. It's part of AXS token system. Oh, okay. Read. AXS token. Looks really good though, man. I don't know anything about it. Well, I'll do my research later. But yeah, the chart looks really, really promising. I like it. Look at that. Yeah, man. I want to make that 20,000 gain. At least I want to hit one crypto where I hit that, 10,000, 20,000 gain. And yeah, this looks good. Look, this looks like early stage of Digibyte, man. Look, as if they just copied the whole cycle. The whole cycle looks copied. Look at this, and look at this. Guys, tell me if it's not identical. Will it reach Digibyte heights? I don't know. But, if even reaches half of that, I'm happy. Yeah, but what if? What if? What if this? And it happened fast. Look, how many days? Less than 90 days. 85 days, man. So it just looks like right on the time for bull season, right? This makes me, very bullish. We might not go down like the way I was expecting. But wait, let's see. Let's see. How far we go here? Where we are here? On Smooth Love. I'll take that back. We can come down a little bit lower. Yeah. A good entry would be somewhere here. 0.05. How low? Do I want to take a chance? That is just 12%, 12 or 20%. Do I want to take a chance with that? No, I don't want to take a chance. It's sitting right on the resistance. Might come down. Maybe just kiss here, Kiss here, go lower. What did Digibyte do? It went lower than these levels. Just close to that level. We might just come back and touch it. So it's just 10-20%. Who cares? Right? Yeah, we might just come back and touch this level. Let's look at weekly. Is the BCH cycle comparable to Digibyte, you reckon? Since it hasn't popped. Absolutely, brother. Digibyte, Litecoin, XLM, XRP, anything you look in their first cycle, BCH is going to just repeat that, period. But these are the risky plays that I want to do, I want to catch that one token that'll give me that crazy, crazy gains, Put 10,000 in it, let it ride. I will let that ride till the end. I will not touch it. I will not touch it till the whole bull run, till I feel that I have that 10,000, 20,000% gains. You know, just one crypto. You just need to hit one crypto and that's it, man. You know. Uh, so yeah, this looks good. So we are sitting on this resistance right now. Can we go a little lower? Yeah, probably. But, you know, probably to this resistance here. That is a strong resistance here. But, man, just the thing is, do I want to take a chance? For 20%, I don't want to miss out on the breakout. Yeah, yeah, not even 20%, 15%. Yeah, this is not going any lower. Look at how much it dropped. It dropped 86%, 85%. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to be too greedy. This looks really good. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm getting into SLP, smooth love portion. Yeah, hopefully I'll get some nice portion of smooth love. Uh, look, 10,000%. Let's just dream about 10,000%. 10,000%. Let's just dream. If this thing pulls out, $7, seven freaking dollars. Wow. Oh man, that'll be crazy. That'll be crazy. Then I'll get a Lamborghini. You know, if I make shit money like that, crazy money like that, this is stupid money. Okay, this is stupid. Fuck you money. If you make something like that, you know, I don't believe in buying stupid shit, man. You know, but you know, you would have so much money, you don't know what to do with it. You know, so right. If everything is paid off, and you know, if something like that happens, I don't want to, you know, and I don't like actually a Lamborghini. I don't like it. Yeah, it's just, but just for the sake of crypto, you know, they have this thing, right? When getting Lambo, I would rather get a real estate property, right? But how many real estate property I'm gonna get? You know, I already have a nice portfolio, so yeah, I'm gonna diversify. So I might get a nice watch, a really nice, expensive, vintage, collectible watch with appreciation of value, which is an NFT watch. So that's what I'm going to invest my money in, and I will not wear it anywhere, so that you know it doesn't get stolen. But it'll be expensive. It'll be nice, really nice. You know, I'll have to do some research on that. But this looks really good, man. Okay, wow. Today's my lucky day. Lucky day. Lucky day. See, that's what happens when you go live. I wouldn't have looked at it. Just I may have looked at it, but today it's just out of fluke, man. You know, I was looking at these tokens, and yeah, what is PVR? Let's look at PVR. Donovic, do you have any SLP? Can I look at Cloak Coin? Clock? No, CLOAK. 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 Okay, let's look. CLOAK. I don't want to lose this off my site. What is it? Okay, Cloak Coin. See, the good thing about charting is you get to see the patterns, right? See how quickly I realized that this looks like Digibyte. Why this happened? Because I have looked thousands, you know, thousands of charts every day. Study those charts, study, keep on studying. So it helps you, right? You just have to find a pattern, right? It not always plays out identical gains wise, but it gives you a pattern, man. Cryptos, there are 3 or 4 ways you can have fashion, right? Before we used to have baggy jeans, then came these skinny fits, Then there were bell bottoms. So the fashion repeats. What I'm trying to say is charts are just like that. If something is going to go up, there are, 10 patterns. It's going to go up in a way, and it's going to down. It's going down. It's going down in a certain pattern. So if you are able to find a pattern, you can get something into which is looks like SLP. So never know, man. Never know. But yeah, man, I am excited. Uh, yeah. So where was I? Uh, clock. What is this? Cloak coin. Yeah, this looks like Dia. When the coin does this, look at this. What is this? How many people got chopped up in this? Look at that. What is this? Total manipulation. This is called no shame manipulation. They don't have any shame. They be like, yeah, we are doing this. We're gonna chop you. So this is on a sunny day without any pullbacks, guys. Okay. It's so messed up, man. Some charts are telling me the run's gonna last till August. Look at this. Tell me that this doesn't look like the run's gonna last till October. So the arc looks complete, here. So, I believe there are cryptos which are going to run, unless we get a nice bounce here, like a parabolic rise, like new cipher kind of thing. If this thing goes up like this from here. What? What is this? Wait, hold on. Who gave me this? Who gave this cloak coin? Blueberry sales. Dude, you come up with these cryptos. Where do you come up with these cryptos? Last time you gave me this unfederal reserve. Now you are giving me this. Where do you come up with this? But guys, just look at it. Let's look at the fibs. Yeah, this came down like crazy too. This was 1718 and it's been going down. Oh, this looks like dragon chain. Yeah, this looks like exactly like dragon chain. Dragon chain looks like this, brother. This is an old crypto which came down 99.78%. 99.78%. Right. So your money went to almost zero if you if you bought here. Yeah, but this and Dragon Chain looks very similar. So let's be conservative and say this reaches its all-time high. Right. The all-time high is here. Right, we are here. if we go back to the all-time high, we are looking at 3,000%. Hey dude, I'm live. I can't talk right now. Okay? I'll talk to you later, brother. Okay, bye. Okay, that's my buddy from UK. I lived in London for 4 years. You know, guys, if we hit this, yeah, never say never, right? Let's look monthly. Yeah, man. Look, this even tried to touch it here, right? So it's possible. It's possible we go to 340. Yeah. I'll have to again research this project, but the chart looks bullish, man. But the only thing is, it looks like we are going to, some cryptos will reach their all-time high later. This will not, start to go up right away. It'll wait. Uh, it's so messy. I cannot even, because you cannot properly draw a trend line till. See, this looks like a strong resistance where you stayed below this price, right? Not been able to even get a monthly close, right? Below this price. So once we pass this resistance, guys, that looks like it would come in Jan, right? In Jan, I'll be bullish on this crypto. Because until Jan, I think we are going to waste time here, up and down like that, and then boom, a big one in end of Jan, Feb, consolidate here a little bit, and then pull another one, right? That's how I feel this is going to go. But looks good, man. Like even if we hit the all-time highs, this looks like a 30x cloak coin. Where do you come up with these coins? Blueberry sales. You are a degen. Gavin, what was the message you said? Welcome to live chat. Remember to guard your privacy and abide by community guidelines. Yes, I do that. I do that always. I don't know what particular guidelines they're talking about, but this looks good. Okay, let's go back to the metaverse. Okay, I'll keep this one in mind as well. I want to throw in like 1,000, 1,000, 2,000. In SLP, I think I'll go 10. SLP looks good to me. Yeah, SLP looks really good to me. Yeah. This looks like it bottomed out too, man. And it's ready anytime, any day. Dude, look. Imagine you put 100,000 and it goes, 20,000. Dude, you will not see me. Oh, yeah. That's crazy. Riding 100,000 to 10,000%? Whoa. That'd be crazy. Maybe I have one for you. Luxo. Okay, Luxo. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put all these on Twitter. Okay, guys. So you'll have these charts on Twitter. Luxo, Luxo. Okay, I'm done with Cardano, so don't need that anymore. Luxo. What is the market cap? Luxo. 382 million market cap. Luxo. What does this do, Donovic? Luxo? Luxo is a blockchain platform specifically created for lifestyle industry, providing decentralized innovation and trust infrastructure for fashion brands, startups, and customers. It offers the foundation for new forms of automated economic interactions and sustainable ownership management. Okay, good concept. Let's look at the chart. Let's look at the money. If it can make us some money. Where did Luxo go? Right here. Give me one suggestion, guys. If you really believe in something, okay, like I like the SLP. If you have done enough research on a project, right, and if you think, like 100% that this thing can give a 30x or 20x, say 20x, right? Give me one project, right, like that. So far, I like the SLP. From all the charts that I've done, I like SLP the most right now, so far. Okay, it went up 12,000%. This looks like a little bit like Ethereum. Ethereum in first cycle, right? You can say it looks like Solana, Ethereum. I want something that's going to moon like bam, like within days, so I can just get out of this thing quicker, right? And then I can enjoy. With some of my cryptos, I'm never gonna take out, so we'll leave it and just enjoy it, just relax. So once we break this channel, guys, I think Donovic, I think we are going to stay in this channel. What do you think? Or let's look. Let's look at the chart inversely, okay? if you follow this path, it looks like, yeah, it looks like a 50x. If we follow this path here, this looks like, you know, this looks like a strong resistance. If we hit this line, then yeah, could be 50x, 5,000%. And the market cap, what was the market cap? Yeah, 382 million. Not bad. Doable, you know. Which crypto they gonna pick though? You know, that's what I'm wondering. Well, chart-wise, I have no clue to be honest, but it has extremely strong fundamentals. Yeah, the chart looks good, man. It looks good. Yeah, it looks 50x is possible, but we have to see once we pass this, we are going to get a breakout, like, because huge resistance here. See, every time the price has been suppressed, we're trying to go above this line, the price has been suppressed. Let's look at fib levels. Gone up from here to down here. Yeah, man. At least $250. This looks like, yeah, we might go 250. If this bull run's ending, you know, how crazy we'll go at the end. You know, we may go ahead and touch this line. That could be a small little wick. It could be a few hours, you know, but, right, we can go ahead and touch that little, you know, resistance here, up here. Possible. Never say never. Donovic, thanks for taking a look into it. Yeah, sure, brother. You know, that's what I'm here for. I will take a look at all your cryptos. See, I learned something as well from you guys, right? So I don't know about this project, right? And I will look into it, like Luxo. So it's good to learn. We'll learn together, man. We will learn together. So yeah. So say 250 above this, because it's a new crypto. Yeah, 250. Yeah, 400. Yeah, it's doable. Between 300 to 450 is doable because the market cap is low on this one. Mickey Blue Eyes, bro, you want a KuCoin gem? Yeah, HDR. Okay. Haroon, BAT. Rohan, Fabian also invested the ERC20 format. Pretty much the backbone of smart contracts change. Luxo mainnet launching in Q4, and the tokenomics look good too. Okay, Rohan. Okay, let's look at the tokenomics. Oh wow, only 100 million. That's the max supply. 100 million. That's really low. That's good, man. Yeah, 100 million is nothing. But who's behind it? What team is it? How many crypto exchanges this coin is on? So it's on KuCoin, Gate.io. Yeah, so it's not released on Binance yet. It's not on Coinbase or any other major cryptos. So that's a good thing. So that means if it releases, it's gonna go bunkers, right? Okay, I'll take a look. HDR. What is HDR? Hathor. I know about this, man. This is a blockchain like Ethereum competitor. I know about this. Hathor, I did a lot of research about it. Due to some reason, I forgot about it. But thanks for reminding. Hathor is a blockchain, right? Ethereum competitor, right? No one's talking about Hathor. The research that I had done, um, the way this thing is work is way better than any other crypto. No one can hack this, right? This is what is that? Big computers. What do they call them? Those massive quantum. Not even quantum computers can hack this blockchain. So that's what I read about this Hathor. Right. I hope I'm not mistaken with something else, but let's see if I'm correct. Man, Hathor. I read it somewhere, man. I think it was about Hathor that even quantum computers cannot hack this blockchain. But anyways, so let's look at the chart. Yeah, so many cryptos look similar, man. Blue skies, no pullbacks. Then we are looking at, wow, wait. Guys, which coin, would you put 100,000? Uh, you know, something I want to ride. I want to ride till the end. What would you put if you had 100,000 and you want to take a risk? And it's okay if you're ready to lose that 100,000 to go 98% crash. What would you put? But the upside, if the upside, something that you really believe is awesome and is good, what would you put? Which crypto you would go for? Tell me one gem like that you think, which is really suppressed. I have my Bitcoin Cash is like that. That's a safety net. There's portion of my money that I like to risk in certain assets, right? See what happens, right? Obviously, I'll look at the chart and analyze it. But something that you think and you have high hopes, uh, like HTR looks good, man. Uh, let's look at weekly. I look at I like to look at cryptos which have more history to it, but that's where the risk factor comes in, right? You want to Yeah, this looks good, man. Looks like easy 10-15x. You know, maybe it can go pull up. So this one's a huge resistance right here. All the cryptos, they're going to go bonkers, you know, in yeah, November, December. So we might get a pullback here, go down first before going up, right? So because there is this resistance from the top coming down, so which might take this one down first and then we go up, right? But looks like the longer we stall, the higher we're going to go. At some point we are going to touch this line. When the sooner we touch, you know, if we touch it in November, then $12 later, 15, 16, 20, right? So depends. uh, the longer we stall, the higher we are going to go. Rohan, I got you on the suppressed gem YF die, heavily underpriced after that bear plummet and still waiting for recovery. Okay, YF die. I'm gonna keep all these coins and I'm gonna post it tomorrow on my Twitter. And you're gonna make me take things out of uh, you know, I have certain cryptos that I'm in, right? So what was it? YF die. Look at the dome structure. It looks like a mosque with like a cross. You know, if you know, mosque or a temple or a church, right? Look. Make it a cross here. uh, the problem with this freaking Charts Coin Trader Pro is it won't let me pass this side. It won't let me chart or do anything on this side. So I cannot extend my chart. But this looks like it's done from the consolidation. Let's see how low did we come. I don't count these wicks. Wow, man, 91%, 92%. That's crazy. But you know what, brother? I got so fucked deep in the ass uh, because of ICP. I got into ICP, right? It came down, you know, almost 90%. And when I got into it, you know, I put $220,000 in it, and I got like deeply fucked, you know. So it's scary, right? You some and it went even lower. Have you seen ICP? How low it went? It just went crazy, man. You know. So things like this, it came 92% down, right? And you think that okay, uh, you know, the consolidation is done, and the damn thing goes one more low, right? So if you put in, say, you put in $200,000 and this thing drops here, you know, another 70%, right? 70%. That's $206, right? So let's see. Now it's at 206. So I have seen cryptos drop. Let's 98 point, yeah, 98.50%. So yeah, this thing can drop. I've seen cryptos drop at 99.70%. 99.70. That's crazy. So it can drop as low as, I'm not saying it will drop, but you know, it can drop to a freaking $60. You know, it's calling, you can say it can go to zero. This could be another liquidity grab, right? Uh, let's look at it. Okay, let's look at seriously this coin, and we'll know. So I don't like to go in it just like that. And even if you get out, the breakout won't be that massive. I don't think so, man. Um, yeah, I would not get into it right now. This is dangerous. It's right on the top of the channel, you know. I'll tell you why, okay? I'll show you why. Uh, what I'm saying. Let me show you. ICP. This happened in a bull market, guys. It's like a freaking scam. These cryptos. Look, what's happening right now? Like, this is not even a full cycle here. You know, on Coinbase it went to 750. On Binance it went to $1,000. Right. So let's count it from. Let's just say 840. Right. From 840, this came down to. This came down this low, right? And I, you know, I said, okay, $100. It's not gonna go any lower than this, you know. And I did that after the retest. You know, it went up and it went down, and I bought here, right, at $108, and that shit went down. Look how low it went down. It's just crazy, man. It's crazy, and it has not gone even up. It's been consolidating like an asshole. You know, it just pisses me off. So I got out at here, right? I got out of the damn thing right here. And you know, the fundamentals, you know, this crypto internet computer, what they are doing is really good, right? I looked at everything, and you would never in your wildest dream expect that this thing would drop, right? You know, in a bull market, it would drop, say, from here to here, 96%, right? 96.78%. So you know, you just, cut your losses, because this thing's gonna freaking, you know, it's in a thing. It's in a channel right here. This channel. And it'll form an M pattern. Majority of cryptos do that when they hit the bottom. They do this like that, and go up like that before, hitting up. Right? And this could be, for years it could pass, waste time here, because they took all the money from the investors right here. Now they don't have any reasons. Anything they do is a liquidity grab here. So the founders took all the money from the investors right here, all the way, right? Every time they pump the price up, it's a liquidity grab. They took the money from the investors. Then they hype you up. Oh, we are going up, and we go down. Oh, we are going up, and then we go down, right? So look at every moment. It's a liquidity grab, right? It's so ridiculous. I feel so bad for the investors, So, yeah, man, don't get too greedy. Just put in something like that. Even if it drops 96%, I have seen cryptos that drop 99.70%. We just looked at the chart a while ago, where a crypto dropped 99.70%. 99.70. You would lose everything. But you never know in crypto. I was about to put some couch money in ICP back in bull run, but luckily got spared from getting screwed before I could invest. So I got, so I do get what you mean. Yeah, man, it's just, the project looks so good. The fundamentals look really good, and I like the team and everything. But look what they do to the investors. It was just a liquidity grab. The owners and the investors sold everything all the way down to 96%. So, I got in here, and I had to wait. I wasted so much time. I could have made money all this time. I could have made money. And yeah, it just wasted so much time. And then I waited. I got out here. It's going to go to $100, but it's going to waste so much time at $100. It's going to be ridiculous, because $100 is the biggest resistance. The cycle goes back in like here, and goes down, and it stays at $100 for a long time. So it's going to waste. ICP will go to $100, but it's going to waste a lot of time. And after that $100, it'll go to 200, 300, 500. But I'm not interested anymore in ICP. But YF yeah, let's. I'm sorry, man. I had so much rage with ICP that I had to take it out. What a BS, they pulled out in a bull market. I have to be very careful, man, with these coins. If they're in downtrend, once you get a breakout, good confirmation. But the thing is, you have to take a risk, man. You have to take a risk. Like, I'm going to take a risk with SLP, because the chart looks very, very similar to Digibyte. But yeah, let's see. And it's just sometimes you have to gamble. So yeah, but ICP better buy FR, and that's being shady. Yeah, if you buy though, for 50-50 shot, Gavin Huber. Earn 70% fixed APY staking YFDI or SSGT. Okay, 72%. Okay, Simon, what's happening, brother? Hi, Shrey. I'm getting nervous. Alts lagging. What do you think? Are we going for a dip? Yeah, we might dip, man, a little bit. But, all the dips right now are for buying. Simple. All the dips. I believe, anything that dips, you just go and grab it. If you don't have any money, just wait. Just wait. Our turn will come, man. Our turn will come. And we are going to the moon, baby. So patience, man. I took some money out, just to be safe. Very little money, not much, but If we dip 20%, you get 20% more coins. But it's very, very risky. There are some cryptos right on the edge, and the breakout's going to be so massive that it'll be a huge mistake if somebody has a small portion. If you have just $10,000 and you take out, say, be greedy and take out um, 7, 8, and that thing shoots up, 200%, 300%. You miss out on those gains, man. We waited so long for these gains, and this is the last moment, man. This is our test of our patience, of our skills, of our belief system, right? How strong you are up here. So yeah, stay strong. So yeah, what was the other coin that I was looking at down? KuCoin. I never looked. PVR USD. It's not even on it's called PVR. PYR. Okay, sorry. Look at this. Wow. Look at this, man. PYR. Let's see what this is. Killed the investors. PYR. So why am I looking at a different cycle? What's wrong? This doesn't look bad. It looks in an uptrend.
Get ready for something
Looks
new.
like this is not a full cycle of PYR. Okay. Let's look at PYR. This is different PYRK. Yeah, this is PYR. Just PYR. That's why. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, it looks. Yeah, 800%, not bad. Again, this is a metaverse crypto, PYR. Looks like my computer is telling me that I need to go to bed. My mouse battery is low. I keep on forgetting to charge it, man. I had to charge yesterday on one of my live videos. And that's what happened. But yeah, I just have to do a fib on this. I'm not able to get a grasp where are we going with this one. But let's see. First was here. And we just dropped to 618. We haven't dropped on this. Usually we drop at 786. And this didn't come back for a retest of 786. And this is a new crypto. So there's a possibility that we may come back to retest this level here, the 786 level. Something a black swan event, something like that happens. Let's see how much we dropped here. From here, we dropped 82%. Started to go up. Right. Yeah, this thing can come down. Back to retest this. And then go up. Yeah, it can absolutely come down like that before moving up. Yeah, not getting into this one. Okay, guys, my mouse battery is low. I go live every day. If you want to stay up to date, you want to chart anything you want me to chart, we'll do that. We'll spend our time together, crypto time together. Gavin, my friend Simon, Rohan, thank you for all these gems, blueberry sales. Man, I'm learning a lot from you guys too, So, Haroon, I will look at that in my next live, brother. But yeah, I will do some research on the tokens that you have given me, and I will go live again tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys. You have a good day, good night, wherever you are. This beautiful planet. I'll see you soon. Later. Gavin, later, brother.